Hi, I'm Eddie Oberoi.
And I'm Alia Modi.
Alia, it's so hard to find a reasonable property for a reasonable price here in the Silicon Valley, right? The prices have gone up so much, so I feel like this is a rare, unique opportunity for all the motivated buyers out there. What do you think?
Absolutely, Eddie. This is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath home on a huge lot.
Right.
You really have to take a look at it. It's fully upgraded and it shows beautifully.
Well, let's come on in, take a tour.
Welcome to 5716 Sagewell Way. You will love this newly remodeled home on a huge 7,300 plus square foot corner lot. New upgrades include a new roof, water heater, central heating unit, and RV parking. It has an expansive floor plan with vaulted ceilings, bright new windows, and a cozy wood-burning fireplace. A light and airy kitchen provides an inviting space where special family moments can be shared. There are nice-sized bedrooms, and the 4th bedroom could easily be used as a home office. Both of the bathrooms have been fashionably updated. An indoor laundry room is a treat with ample storage. The spacious backyard with recently constructed deck is great for year-long entertaining. This home is located in the friendly Silverleaf community, conveniently situated in the heart of Silicon Valley, close to Costco, shopping centers, major tech companies, and all commuter transportation, including Caltrans, shuttles, Highway 85, and the 101. You don't want to miss this one.
Thank you so much for taking a tour of our beautiful home.
As you saw, it's a gorgeous property, and if you have any questions, that's what we're here for. Reach out to us anytime. We'll talk to you soon.